Experience driving perfection in the 2019 Ford F-250. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.